The Enterprise Grant Scheme is a scheme that's set up to help small to medium-sized businesses and organisations in St Ives access grants for capital works to help their businesses develop. We funded grants from £2,500 to £150,000. We had a wide range of grants available for any businesses or organisations that were SMEs. They could access grants for shopfront improvements, capital investments into their business for equipment or improving their interiors, so building works for the outside and the inside of their buildings. We could do startup business grants and support businesses to develop and improve their turnover and economic viability.
We wanted to apply for the Enterprise Grant for some technology, laser technology, so it's kind of a laser machine that solders without heating up the jewellery, because there's a lot of jewellery now that we kind of have to work with without damaging stones. If you've got an engagement ring that you don't want to heat up, that kind of thing. So that was our big laser equipment that we can use for loads of different things that general soldering can't do with, welding. And then we've got a laser cutter and engraver. So that saves lots of time for me, because ordinarily I'd be at the bench, hand cutting things out, so I can kind of make components and also engraving for customers.
It was worth £2 million or just over £2 million in total. So far we've contracted with 68 individual organisations and businesses, and we are looking hopefully to add a few more going forward in the future. We were looking to diversify kind of the economic base of the town and improve quality of businesses and organisations in the town of what they were offering, to improve the kind of look of some of the shops and restaurants in the town centre, and to create sustainable year-round employment in St Ives, so that we weren't just relying on seasonal employment, so that we were employing people for the whole year throughout the business. We funded a really wide variety of businesses, so not classic what you would consider to be St Ives businesses, tech companies. We've got tech companies, we've got design companies that have had support, we've got retail, clothing retail and manufacturers, designers. We've also got more traditional St Ives type activity like support for the fishing industry, hospitality businesses that are aimed at kind of locals and tourists. We've also done some retail shops that are perhaps more for locals, like the local butchers and bakery, standard supply shops. So we really have covered quite a wide range of projects.
These grants can have been used, say, to improve the street scene, so shop frontages, for instance, or improving workspaces, maybe for purchasing new equipment in a business to support what they do or improve their productivity. And so there are new employment opportunities that are being supported by it. So I think it's really positive for the town.